It's Monday, arguably the worst day of the week. But here's your host, Andrew, to try and brighten it up just a little bit. Because I am your host, Andrew. This is Crypto Espresso, your teeny tiny daily shot of caffeinated crypto headlines. And twinkle, twinkle, little host. First up, a major security breach has affected Atomic Wallet, a decentralized wallet with over 5 million users worldwide. According to an on-chain analysis by ZachXBT, a pseudonymous Twitter user who tracks crypto thefts and helps hacked projects, more than $35 million worth of crypto assets have been stolen from Atomic Wallet users since June 2nd. The largest single loss was $7.95 million in Tether. The attack has caused various problems for users, such as missing tokens, erased transaction histories, and wiped out crypto portfolios. Atomic Wallet has not yet confirmed the cause of the attack, but it is working with leading security companies and blockchain analytics firms to investigate the issue and trace and block the stolen funds. The team also asked the victims to provide information about their internet providers, VPN usage, and seed phrase storage. Atomic Wallet is a non-custodial decentralized wallet, which theoretically means that users are responsible for their own assets and private keys. The wallet's terms and services do not accept any liability for on-chain damages suffered by users. Rosbank, one of Russia's largest banks, is reportedly venturing into the world of cryptocurrencies to facilitate cross-border payments. Despite being sanctioned by the U.S. Treasury Department last year, Rosbank has already conducted pilot transactions using digital assets involving both corporate and private clients. While the specific cryptocurrency being used has not yet been disclosed, Rosbank is collaborating with fintech firm bCrypto on the project. This move aligns with statements made by Rosbank's owner, Vladimir Olgovich Potanin, who believes that tokenized assets and a central bank digital currency could drive the country's progress in the digital economy. Russia's stance on cryptocurrencies has been mixed. While the central bank expressed support for banning Bitcoin mining and transactions, the finance ministry advocates for innovation and calls for regulation rather than fully stifling the industry. President Vladimir Putin has also suggested that Russia could become a Bitcoin mining hub. Additionally, the government recently abandoned plans for a state-run crypto exchange, opting instead to regulate private digital asset companies. Draft legislation proposed by Republican chairs of key committees in the U.S. House of Representatives seeks to establish oversight for the digital assets sector and provide a path for cryptocurrency exchanges to register with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The proposed bill aims to address the industry's demands by allowing regulated crypto firms to trade digital securities, commodities, and stablecoins in a single platform. While the draft bill has not yet garnered Democratic support, it acknowledges the SEC's continued authority to determine which assets fall under its jurisdiction. The legislation also suggests that existing crypto assets would be exempt from enforcement actions, while regulators work on establishing new rules and regulations. The proposed legislation not only addresses the distinction between commodities and securities, but also introduces the concept of a digital commodity exchange regulated by the CFTC. The bill reflects ongoing efforts to modernize crypto-specific oversight and foster dialogue between Republicans and Democrats, with hopes of finding common ground and shaping comprehensive regulation in the sector. A phishing scam targeting the followers of Mita Murati, the CTO of OpenAI, has been exposed by crypto enthusiasts on Twitter. The scammer hacked Murati's verified account and posted a link to a fake website that claimed to offer a free airdrop of OpenAI tokens, supposedly linked to the AI firm behind ChatGPT. The tweet had restricted replies and was viewed by over 79,000 people before it was deleted. The website looked similar to a legitimate project called ChainGPT, but with a malicious twist. It asked visitors to connect their crypto wallets and sign deceptive requests that would allow the attacker to drain their funds and their NFTs. A security researcher from Biosin, a blockchain security company, warned about the dangers of the wallet draining kit used by the scammer. This incident comes as OpenAI announced a $1 million grant program for AI-driven cybersecurity projects. The firm aims to use artificial intelligence to automate and improve various aspects of cybersecurity, such as vulnerability patching, social engineering prevention, and user education. And finally, Mercado Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency exchange in Brazil, has received a license from the country's central bank to operate as a payment provider. This will allow the company to launch its fintech service MBPay, which will offer digital banking solutions to its users using crypto assets. MBPay will enable users to invest in a digital fixed income, stake their crypto, and access other financial transactions. The company also plans to introduce a debit card that will allow users to convert their crypto into fiat currency. Mercado Bitcoin is one of the leading crypto exchanges in Brazil and is part of 2TM Group, which also owns other digital asset platforms such as BitTrust and Nubank. Brazil has a large and vibrant crypto market with several other exchanges and platforms operating in the country. Some of them also have obtained payment provider licenses from the central bank, including Crypto.com and Bitso. Coinbase, the largest crypto exchange in the US, has also expanded its presence in Brazil by partnering with local payment providers to enable crypto purchases and withdrawals in Brazilian real. And here's a real favor to ask of all of you. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on that little bell icon to get buzzed whenever a new Crypto Espresso video goes live. Thoughts on today's episode? Just drop me a line in that comment section below because I read them, and sometimes I take them far too seriously. Questions about our headlines or crypto in general? Take the plunge and ask Alex in that description below. Alex is always a great resource for all things Web3 and the metaverse, and that about does it for today. As always, I've been your host, Andrew. These have been your headlines, and we'll see all of your beautiful, shining faces tomorrow.